Hello guys, order naman ni guys ang top German multipurpose. Sa personal collection siya, disinfectant and room spray. Technology kills 99.99% of bacteria, yeast, and molds. Kumot ka siya guys ang lemon zest. So, salamat sa nag-order ani. So, the direction for use. Shake well before use. Shake daw. Shake. Very, very nice. Shake. Shake, shake. So, shake before use. On clean surfaces, hold the upright 6 to 8 inches from surface spray. 3 to 5 seconds until surface is covered with mist. So, to disinfect toys. Pwede pa dyan sa to sanitize, to disinfect toys, to spot sanitize soft surfaces, to control and prevent mold and mildew. Nice ka siya. Ganyan lang. Charot. Try lang to. Yan. Order na. Umot ka siya. Napailaing ko na ni katong Sakura. Sakura. So yan o. Dara na siya. Sakura flavor or blind and fresh o lemon zest. So kani ako is lemon zest. Humot po siya. So yan. Order na. Pahumot sa inyong room dara or sa inyong mga toys dira pang disinfect. So yan, thanks for watching.